8th graders, this video and then one more. Alright, just a couple more things, and I think today's you can totally do. So we're gonna solve each. And since this is already factored, I think it will be easier. So these are quadratics. So we have k minus 1 and k plus 1. We set it equal to 0. So since these are already factored, we can say that k minus 1 equals 0 and k plus 1 equals 0. So we would add 1 here to both sides and end up with k equals 1. And when we subtract 1 here to get k by ourselves, we end up with k equals negative 1. So k equals 1 and k equals negative 1. Okay? Not so bad, right? So I now have k plus 3 and k minus 5. Set it equal to 0. Now I can say that k plus 3 equals 0 and k minus 5 equals 0. So I would subtract 3 from both sides. K equals negative 3. Add 5 to both sides. K equals 5. Now you start to see a pattern, right? It's the opposite of whatever that is. So if it's positive 3, k equals negative 3. If it's negative 5, k equals positive 5. Do you see that? Alright, let's just do a couple more. You try this one. B plus 3, b minus 2. So remember, you're setting it up. B plus 3 equals 0. B minus 2 equals 0. And then you're just solving for b. Right? Add 2 so that it's 0 and just b. Right? Those nice one-step equations. Now try a couple of tricky ones. Let's do one tricky one together, and I'll give you one tricky one to try on your own. So for x minus 3 and x minus 3, well, this part's easy, right? But this part, we end up with a two-step equation. Do you guys remember how to do two-step equations? So I first have to undo the addition or subtraction. So I have 4x equals 3. And then I have to undo the division or multiplication. So x equals 3/4. Or if you put that into a calculator, 0.75. 3/4, 75 cents, same thing, right? And here we would add 3 to both sides. So we have x equals 3. So we have to remember it is and b equals negative 3 and b equals 2. K equals negative 3 and k equals 5, right? Now I want you to just try this last one. X minus 3 and 4x plus 5. So pause your video, write it down and set it up. X minus 3 equals 0, right? And 4x plus 5 equals 0. So I would add 3 here. part was easy. Subtract 5 here for x equals negative 5. Divide by 4. X equals negative 5/4. Or if you put that into a calculator, negative 1 and the 4th, right? Alright, that's it, guys. Make sure you are completing the teacher made and have a fantastic Monday. Last Monday. Woohoo! Party! Have a great day.